4 cloves of garlic and just slice them thinly. You can use up to 5 cloves if you want. This amount is just for one person, and it's good with plenty of garlic. Done. A little bit of olive oil, and now a little bit of toasted sesame oil, just a drizzle. All the garlic. And now let it brown really well. For me, it's good at this point. Just take it out. I'm just going to set it aside. Just remove the excess oil and leave it here. And now a piece of chicken carcass. You can use whichever part you want. 1 large onion. I'm just going to cut it into 4 pieces here. Add it to the chicken. And now, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to grate them. Usually people put the whole garlic cloves in, right, to cook. But I want a stronger garlic flavor, you know? That's why I'm going to grate it. I won't put it in whole. Done. And about 1 more centimeter of ginger. And the same thing. I want a much stronger flavor, right? That's why I'm going to grate the ginger and the garlic. There's a big piece left. That's okay. You can add it in here too. It'll be about this amount. And add it to the chicken. And now add the water. Here, there's about 1 liter. Bring it to a boil. In our rice cooker, 100 grams of Japanese short grain rice. It can be long grain too. 120 milliliters of water. And here, mushrooms to taste. You can use any mushrooms you want. Just cut them into small pieces. In this recipe, shimeji also works really well. Enoki. Just cut it into really small pieces. And something like this. It doesn't have to be that small. Just add it. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It can be regular or light. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 teaspoon of fish dashi. Just mix a little. And just turn it on and wait. Meanwhile, cook our noodles. The water started boiling. Just add our noodles. You can use any brand you want. These noodles I'm using is actually from those instant noodle packets. It's already been 3 minutes. It's already nice and soft. And just let it drain. Our broth has started to boil. Let's leave it like this for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'll turn it off. And then separate the broth. And I'll put the broth back in the pot. Then turn the heat back on. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered fish dashi, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit of salt. And now just mix it. Let's taste and adjust the salt. You can add more salt or more soy sauce if you want. Here, Chop a lot of green onions very finely, really fine. This is also to taste, and here just set it aside because we'll only use it at the end. It's come to a boil now. The broth is ready. Just turn it off. And now 2 eggs. They can be medium or large size as well. Just give it a quick mix. You don't need to beat it much. This is perfect. Just a little bit of toasted sesame oil. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of mirin, and now mix a little more. Like this. It's already good. Our rice is ready, and it's rice you can make any day of the week, which also goes really well with miso soup. And now, using the spatula like this, make a mound. Leave it like this. A little oil in the pan and low heat. Add all the egg mixture. You don't need to let the pan get too hot. Let the sides fry just a little. And now doing it like this. We don't want to cook it too much. It's already great. A little raw on top. If you want, you can let it cook a little longer or even cover it. Put everything on top of our rice. Put everything here in our bowl. And look how beautiful it looks. Our first dish is ready. Now, the noodles for our ramen. Pour our broth on top. You can be generous. All our garlic on top and green onions. Simple ramen, but full of flavor. And let me know in the comments if you wouldn't want a meal like this. Tonkatsu sauce on top. And it's a meal full of flavor, simple and affordable for your family.